Okay, hey guys, what is up? McBlockBros here, bringing you guys our second tutorial. In our first tutorial, there'll be a link about right here, right here in the top left corner. It'll show you how to set up a basic Minecraft server using Hamachi. And in this tutorial, actually requested by someone, he was wondering how to do it, so I said, hey, why not put up a tutorial on how to set up a BUKKIT server using Hamachi. So, first thing you want to do, you're going to want to open your browser to the web page dl.bukkit.org and secure.logme and Hamachi products. Both these links will be in the description. Right now, I want to focus on dl.bukkit.org. So, right now, as of this date, 11/8/12, or when I'm uploading the video, Minecraft is currently running on 1.4.2. As you can see here, the recommended build for CraftBukkit is version 1.3.2, which is not what we need. If at the time when you're downloading the Bukkit server, it's the proper build for whatever Minecraft you're running, you always just want to look right there where it says version, then you can go ahead and just click this button and it'll download it. If it's not the proper version, you want to go ahead and click alternate versions right there. Then beta build. And you want to go ahead and click save. See, it says beta build 1.4.2, and for the recommended build it says 1.3.2. The development build is also, it's better, but it's definitely not as stable as the beta build. If the beta build is the version, I definitely do the beta build. If it's not, then use the development build. And as you can see, there's a ton of different builds for versions here. There's thousands of them, so you guys can go ahead and look through those if you want to. Don't waste your time. Let's view downloads. Downloads. Okay. So there it is. It's a jar file. CraftBukkit 0.0.2. Let's go ahead and close our view downloads page. Alright. There you go. So our downloads right there. You want to go ahead and create a new folder on your desktop. Label it whatever you want. BUKKIT McBlockBros. Alright. There you go. So ours is just going to be named BUKKIT McBlockBros. You're going to want to go ahead and open your folder where you have all your downloads and drag that saved download into your Bukkit. Right. Just like that. Alright, then what you're going to want to do, open that up, and it should be right there, right? So now there is a way to make it so that you can use a BAT program to run the Bukkit. On my computer, unfortunately, I'm not sure why. I've tried to fix it. I've done everything. It doesn't work. But I believe what you do, you go to new, you create a new notepad document. Do I have notepad here? One sec, let me go and search for notepad. Notepad. There you go. Alright, and you want to type this whole thing about, let me see if I can find it. I don't have it right now, but BUKKIT BAT code. There you go. File code. There you go, yeah. So this will also be in the description. Wiki.bukkit.org, setting up a server. It's a very great thing if you want to know how to do it. So yeah, what you want to do if you're in Windows, I believe this is Windows. Yep, Windows right here. You want to copy this. Oh, go ahead and right click, copy, and you want to go ahead and paste this here. Right, then you're going to want to file, save as, save it in the same folder which you created your server in, but save it as server.bat, and click save. There you go. You should close it. open it up, and there it is, server Windows batch file. Now see, I'm gonna do it, and it's not gonna work. Yep, exactly, unable to access jar file. I fixed it. I've looked at it. Every time I fix it, it says unable to. It's not the proper name. So, you know, that sucks. But whatever. I'm gonna close that. Go ahead and close that. So if you can run it with a server, that's great. If you can't, simple solution. Just double click that. There you go. It loads all of this stuff for you. Now, you can't see the actual server because you're not running it with the server.bat file. So, when you're closing it, what you have to do, you have to open up your task manager. You have to go to, this is Windows 8, so it has background processor right here, but there should be a processes tab somewhere here which has your background processes. You want to go ahead and find your Java, what's running, and you just want to go ahead and click End Task. That will close the server. That's the only way to close the server, or else it will be running 24/7. Now, as to downloading Hamachi, we'll go here. Let's close that. So this link will also be in the description. You want to go ahead to Hamachi and download. Click Conditions of Use, Accept, and download the unmanaged version. Download now. Click Run. English, next. Next. Yeah, I already have it installed. I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Finish. Okay, whatever. It said it ended permanently, but I know I have it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let me go ahead and search for it. There it is. Yay, starting Hamachi. So you're gonna want to download it, put the desktop on your, put the shortcut on your desktop. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and click this power button. Power, whatever, blah blah blah. Resolving. If you just got Hamachi and you're new to this, it's gonna give you a whole IP. It might take a little longer, but in the end, it's gonna give you this like IP address, and it's gonna say probing or looking for the network. Let it do its magic. All right, yeah. So let me go ahead and delete this network just for the purposes of this. So what you're going to want to do to have people play on your server, you're going to want to go ahead and click Network, create a new network. Just name this network McBlockBros, and the password's going to be password is going to be 123, and hit create. You can have whatever password or thing you want as long as it's not taken. Then whenever someone wants to join your network, you go ahead, click Network, join the existing network. You tell them your network ID and you tell them your password. And then they're in your network. Now, each network can only hold 5 people as of now because they changed it that way about half a year ago. So if your network becomes full, just create a new one, tell them to join that one. It's going to work the exact same way. Okay. So, if you close Hamachi, it's still going to be running, which is good. It's always going to be running right there. See? It's running. Sorry, my mouse is a little fucking up. Okay, Hamachi, see? It's running. Always running. So, then you're going to want to head and go to open your server folder again. Go to your server notepad properties file. Go ahead and open that. There you go. Then you're going to want to go ahead and put for your server IP, your Hamachi, and that right there, 5.107.245.191 is your server IP. So I'm going to go where it says server IP equals right here, 5.104.245.191. File. Save. File. Save again, just for good measure. Then you want to go ahead and close this. You can close your Hamachi too. Then double click on this. Again, if your server Windows BAT file works, go ahead, use that. And then just double click your example.jar file or your Windows batch file, whatever you're using. It should load up and you're ready to get on. It should be all connected. You can go ahead and play. So you're gonna hit login. You'll make it full screen, whatever you want. Multiplayer, add server. I forget what the IP is. Let me go ahead and check quickly. Always happens. I was close watching, then I forget the IP. 5.104.245.191. Done. There you go. Minecraft server 5.104.245.191. Let's go ahead and join. Let's see what world we got. There you go. Here's our world. Obviously, it's laggy. It's really laggy right now. Yeah, it's really laggy right now because I'm using a screen capture and it's not designed for these types of games. Not at all. Anyway, oh look, there's a sideways log. Alright, anyway, I hate that update, sideways log, so annoying. Alright, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, do your magic. So yeah, now you guys know how to set up a Bukkit server. Any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them. Any new tutorials you want me to do, leave them in the comments too. I'll do my best to get those up. So yeah, guys, Honey Bear signing out. See ya, McBlockBros. Peace.